there, it's Sarah, your socially awkward seller. I don't know why I can't seem to say that, but in the last 3 videos I haven't been able to say that. But anyway, I've got a tiny little haul for you. I went to the post office this morning and thought I would stop by one of my favorite little independent thrift stores and see what I could pick up. And I spent about $48. One of the things that I will not be showing in this video is a microwave that I bought for $4. It's still in the trunk. That is going to someone else. That's not for resale. So anyway, let me just hop into this and I will show you what I got. This is a Bratz World folding dollhouse, and I paid $3.50 for this. And it looks like they don't sell like all that often, but I still should be able to get about $25 for it when it does sell. And I'm going to check on Amazon and see if this sells there. I didn't look there, just to give it another, give myself another potential platform to sell that on. I bought this 1981 Milton Bradley Bargain Hunters game, and this I believe is complete. I paid $2 for it, and it looks like this will sell for between $15 and $20, and it looks like they sell pretty regularly. Oh, and that dollhouse did come with a few little accessories. Let's see. This is a Guitar Hero Legends of Rock guitar and game for Xbox, I think. Xbox Live, Xbox 360. And this one does not have the game in it, but I think the game is pretty inexpensive. I paid $10 for this. This looks like it's going for around $80 on Amazon. I paid $4 for this, and this is your good old Ronco rotisserie. And I just sold the door only to this, to an oven like this for $18.99 plus shipping just this week. So I know that I'll get my money back. It also has inside the silicone gloves, and these sell for $8 or $9 plus shipping. I already have a listing for the base for the rotisserie. These sell for, I don't remember, but I do have a listing for that. It does come with the spit. These usually do pretty well too. I'm not sure that, I don't believe that's factory. Anyway, that was inside there. And the basket. I don't know if I'm parting this or selling it whole. Probably parting it. I'm thinking parting it is the way to go. I can also take the feet off of this and sell those as well. I do have a listing live for those. I'm really trying to get back into parts. I enjoy parts, and parts is parts. Let me set it down. But I may have to rent some space because parts take up space. I picked up 2 of these. This is, let's see if we can get it to stop. Anyway, this is a Corningware percolator, stovetop percolator, and this one's actually in pretty good shape. There are some Corningware percolators that have recalls on them. I do not think this is the one. I paid $3.50 for that. Looks like they sell for about $25. Actually, this one sells for about $25. This is the cornflower blue one. And I did not actually see this green kind of mandala sort of flower pattern for sale. But I haven't decided if I will sell those whole or part them out. It just depends on how I feel at that moment. But I may list that green one for about $30 or $35. I picked up this Pampered Chef thing, And I must admit, I don't really know what it is. I don't know if it's a microwave rice cooker or exactly what it is. I paid $2 for it. I usually do okay with Pampered Chef stuff. I will figure out what it is and see if I can sell this on Amazon. Or if not, I'll sell it on eBay. Here is, I bought this separately. This is the side dish heating tray, warming tray for a Ronco rotisserie. And I paid $2.50 for this. It has this VHS tape on it, instruction tape. I probably won't sell that. It's got one skewer in it. I'll just keep this back because I find these all the time, and you know, I may be short a skewer. I'll just add that to it. And this is one of the steam trays. And this one, I have seen them plastic before. This one is actually enamel over metal, I think. Looks like it. Or it's painted like a powder coat metal. But anyway, this goes with the Ronco rotisserie. I will sell that separately. I have sold those before. And this is a Mickey Mouse piano. This is for the kids, but it just made me happy, so I bought it. And let's see. Also, I bought this Pampered Chef. It's a plastic lid. I'm not even sure what it's for. I paid $3 for this. But again, I'll try. It's brand new. I'll try to sell this on Amazon. It is the large cover and store lid. We'll see. We'll see what it does. And I didn't look this up, but I usually do okay with this Space Maker, Black & Decker Space Maker stuff. This is jar opener and knife sharpener, and it is in the original box. I don't know if it's new or not. It may not be. It may not be. I paid $2 for this. And this might be new. Look at that. So, let's see if it's, oh, I think there's maybe parts missing. Yeah, there might be parts missing. Shucky darn. But that's okay, because I'll sell this mount if I need to, or I'll look for the part. In each of our lives, a little rain must fall. It's okay. Again, $2 for that. And like I said, I'll either buy the missing part for it, or I'll sell it the way it is, because someone may have the case that's cracked or broken. The actual mounting hardware is in there too. I could also sell that if I wanted to do that. All right, that's all I bought today. Tomorrow, maybe yard sales early, but I do have to help with a graduation party, so I'll be tied up with that. Oh, I forgot something. Hold, please. I did pick these up today. It's $4 for both of them. One is the Stratocaster like that, and the black Stratocaster, but it does have the dongle with it. I'll do fine with these. The dongles can sell for $15. And again, I only paid $4 for that. So even if I sell the guitars separately for $10, $12, $15 shipped, which I don't think, not shipped, plus shipping, but I think they do better than that. Having the dongle will definitely increase the profit margin, so I should do fine with that. But anyway, that's what I bought, and I will, yeah, I'll be getting this stuff listed. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, comment. I love to hear from you. Remember that the dream works when you do, so keep dreaming, keep working, and I'll see you the next time. Goodbye.